What to do if you're first getting started in federal government contracting. So the first thing I recommend you do is identify an umbrella of goods and services that your small business can offer to the government. You can accomplish this by first spending an uncomfortable amount of time, I say, on SAM.gov doing manual searches. See for yourself what all the goods and services are that are being procured on SAM.gov. Once you start to see procurements that could potentially be in your wheelhouse, like present, past, or future bids, it could be any of them at this point, take note of the NAICS codes, the PSC codes, and the keywords associated with them. Practice this exercise of finding bids that have overlap with your capabilities until you have a list of 20 to 50 practice bids that you can document in an Excel spreadsheet. Once you have completed this practice bid exercise, now take a step back from your Excel doc, and you should have a pretty convincing argument for what you want to go after. And maybe you'll even gain some insight into some of the areas that you no longer want to offer because your findings tell you that the government isn't buying enough of that service area. If you have multiple different industries in your Excel doc, group them together by using a fitting label like base operations or professional services, for example, to form your umbrella offering. Do this exercise first, and you will save yourself a lot of time and heartache and maybe even money in the long run. In the event you're not able to complete this practice bid exercise because you're not finding anything that you're capable or comfortable going after, in this case, you may need to gain direct work experience first to bolster your capabilities and confidence. To accomplish this, you could first take a job doing the thing you want to provide, or you could also be a subcontractor first to another company that needs the same service. You can also consider changing or opening your umbrella to other services because what you offer in the commercial space may not be a great fit in the government space. Being open and flexible to solving new problems and new needs for your new government customers is a distinguishing factor between thriving government contractors and those contractors who are struggling to win their next contract. If you're looking for more support to bid and win contracts on SAM.gov, I invite you to consider joining our bid team for a proven process to win with coaching and accountability. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more GovCon trainings. I'll see you in the next video.